Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Girard. Your greatest teacher. Let failure be your teacher, inspiration, and wisdom. Let failure cause you to strive for greater and triumph. Let failure be a learning experience, for it was always meant to keep you striving for greater and never give in, one step at a time, with one success at a time. It will eventually lead your breakthrough, abundance, and victory. I love this book. That was amazing. And I completely agree with this. I believe you should always follow your heart no matter what. There's things in the way, but you really truly love what you're doing. Keep going and enjoy the journey at the same time. Thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.